there, this is Lizzie, and today I'm going to share with you how to make these rustic Thanksgiving place cards. I'll be using two stamp sets to create these, Happy Harvest, which is a fall-themed stamp set that was previously released, and one of my favorite alphabet stamp sets called Violet's ABCs. So I started the project by stamping the pumpkins from Happy Harvest with archival jet black ink and doing some simple watercoloring with some wild honey distress ink. I thought the watercolor added a nice rustic look to the place cards, but certainly you could use any medium that you had on hand. So once I apply an initial layer of color over the pumpkins, I'm going to heat set that with my heat tool. And then I'm going to apply a second layer just to give the pumpkins a little bit more dimension. And then I'm going to use some dough lawnfawn ink, which is a nice light brown ink, to color in the stems of the pumpkins. Once the pumpkins were fully dry, I used the coordinating die to die cut them out. Now I can get started on the place cards themselves. Each card is cut to 4 inches long by 3 inches wide and then scored at the 2-inch mark. I then used a border die to cut a cross-stitch pattern into the bottom of the place card just to add to the rustic feel. Now I'll be adding some dimension to the card by adding some stamped leaves behind the pumpkins, which I am using freshly cut grass, mermaid, and dough ink for. Now I can personalize the place cards by stamping out names. Since these are going to go on my Thanksgiving table, I started out with my name. The stamp set only includes one Z, but because these are clear stamps, it's very easy to line up the extra letters to finish spelling out names. So now that everything is all stamped, I can go ahead and adhere the pumpkins with some foam tape. And then that will complete the card. So here are two finished place cards. These were so simple and quick to create. I think they would add a fun and festive addition to your holiday table. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!